In this video we're going to look at decals. Let's go over by our lighthouse here and let's create a decal entity. So once again we're going to go over to our roll-up bar to our first tab, Objects. We're going to go down to Miscellaneous. Over here you will see a decal. Let's make sure our terrain setting is on. Click on decal and bring it in, and I'm going to place it slightly under these stairs. We'll see why shortly here. Now let's get a material for it. We're going to come in and under materials we'll find decals. In this case let's create a blood spatter. Blood spatter 5. Now let's assign that. So far so good, except our blood spatter runs under our static mesh. This is where our projection type comes in. And as you can see, 0 through 3 gives you different projection types, or you can just click on it and you'll get a pull down. In this case, we're partially on the terrain and we're underneath a static object, which we want to be on. So let's change it to 3. Project on terrain and static object. Now, nothing really seemed to happen. We got a little bit of coloring over here, but it's not quite right. Well, let's check our Z depth and bring that up. And there we go. So if it's not working out for you, there's one of the things to check. We need to come in, take a look at this, and then just adjust your Z value to bring that in. You can also resize it. We could make that much larger or smaller, or shape it from just one level, move it about a bit, whatever you want to do. We're sitting pretty good here. Yeah, I like that. Alrighty, so let's go down and take a look at some other things that we can do with this. Figure out where I am here. We can also use it to dress up our levels a bit. Alright, let's go back up again and let's go to our miscellaneous tab. Let's pick another decal. Make sure our terrain is on. Let's bring that in here. Let's size it up a little. Let's pick a material. And in this case, let's choose way down here, well, Mud Puddle 1. I haven't actually looked at this, so let's see how that looks. Let's apply that. Take our projection type from planar to project on terrain and see how we look here. Not bad. Could probably scale that up some more. Get a nice little blend going. So as you can see, that's a great way to break up your terrain some more. As well as adding vegetation to some of the tiling textures, we can certainly go in and put plenty of decals on and make our level look very unique. Alright, now that we've done that, let's move on and look at adding a grunt AI into our system. See you then.